Good morning, students. My name is Kindibai Marina. I am an English teacher in Talgar Polytech College, Professional English Language. Today is our lesson, welding equipment and the welding process. Warming up. Work clothes of a welder. Mask is wear on a head. Jacket is wear on a body. Gloves are worn on the hands. Trousers and the boots are worn on the legs. Now, match words and their transcriptions. For example, power network. Yes. Holder. Circuit breaker. Local exhaust. Cable. Earth clamp. Transformator and electrode. Repeat it again, please, after me. Cable, earth clamp, electrode, holder, transformator, power network, circuit breaker, local exhaust. Now, look at these pictures and name these things. A. Cable. B. Earth clamp. C. Electrode. D. Holder. E. Power network. Local exhaust. Circuit breaker. And the transformator. Now, the place of work of the welder. Look at this picture and match the words with the picture. Mask, jacket, boots, cable, earth clamp, electrode, power network, circuit breaker, local exhaust, trousers, transformator, holder and gloves. Time, watch the video and then answer the question.
Hello, my name is Mac. I'm here on behalf of expertvillage.com. We would like to continue our discussions on the arc welding process of stick welding. This is an electrode holder, and this is one of the shielded metal arc welding electrodes. Place the electrode in the electrode holder, turn the handle, and clamp the electrode firmly in the electrode holder. When you turn the machine on and select the proper amount of current, this electrode becomes electrically charged. It's basically a live wire now. When you touch it down to a piece of steel that's grounded to the machine, like that, you create an electrode.
And now, new lessons. There are 3 basic welding methods: manual, semi-automatic and automatic. Pay attention on this text because next task will be on this text. Manual welding is the oldest method, and so its preparation of the total welding market diminishes early. It is still the most common. Here, an operator takes an electrode clamped in a handheld electrode holder and manually guides the electrode along the joint as the weld is made. Semi-automatic welding is becoming the most popular welding method. The electrode is usually a long length and of small diameter bare wire, usually is in coil form, which is the welding operator manual position and advances along the weld joint. Automatic welding is very similar to semi-automatic welding, except that the electrode is automatically positioned and advanced along the prescribed weld joint. Now, next task. The sentences true or false. Read please these sentences and tell me please true this sentence or false. Manual welding is the newest method. It is false. A welder can be used manual position during the semantic welding, and the semi-automatic welding is the most popular welding method because the weld joint accurate. It is true. Semi-automatic welding is the most popular welding method. It is false. The welding operator manually adjusts the position of the electrode to maintain a constant arc length. It is true. Yes, it is true. Now, homework. Translate these sentences into English and you give a welding process. And send this homework task me. Second task answers the question: what is the most effective methods of welding do you choose? You may start your sentence: I choose manual or semi-automatic or automatic methods because it is. Now our lesson is over. Goodbye, dear students. Thank you for the work.